Doing my screening questions a little bit more intense. Sometimes when they come here for a reason, oh, well, I ain't got to go nowhere, but I still have expenses. I have my lights, I have my gas, I have administrative stuff, I have my internet. I'm printing for these people. I charge for printing a lot more. Sometimes I'm even charging for Jeffrey to be a witness more. So it's a lot of things that we can do to get that bottom line increase. What questions do you all have for me today while I'm here? Guys, Page says, thank you for this live. It's quite transparent and informative. God bless y'all. You're so welcome. It's my pleasure. Any other questions you have that I can assist you with? Again, I'm going to encourage you to check out mentorship, especially if you're serious about your business. It's the best place to be. It is the number one. I'm going to say that. I don't say it enough because sometimes, you kind of want to downplay. You don't want to put your head all big. But I know we have an amazing mentorship. And a lot of times people are asking, you mean I get all that for $47? Yep, you sure do. We'll say this for those who may be new, because I get this question most often than anything else. How can you afford to do it so cheaply? This is the catch, guys. This is the catch. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath. Everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents. Learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Nika says, absolutely. Thank you. Look, this is the catch. So I talked about this the last few times I went live. And some of you may not be familiar with this for real. I got to find out what the concept is called. I want to say it starts with the S. If I have any people that are Jamaican or Spanish or like African descent, and you know what I'm talking about, tell me what this is called when you do it. So everyone puts their money together. And for example, if Tanjanika, so I might put in $50 this week. Tanjanika put in $50. God's Page put in $50. Jeff put in $50. And then next month, I say, you know what? I need all that money that we all pooled together. We came together, and I need to buy an airline ticket. Well, that's how they're going to get the airline ticket, all the money that we put together. And then next month, maybe Tanjanika needs the money. Or next month, God's Page needs the money, right? So I didn't know that was a thing until about, I don't know, 20 years ago. I have a lot of friends that are of Latin descent, Spanish, Hispanic. And that's what they do. They pulled it. So my friend was like, I got to go visit somebody and take some money over here. I was like, why is she taking our money? And then when she got back, she explained it to me. She said, we do this little thing and we all come together. So it's similar with the mentor program. So everybody pays just a little bit. You still get access to all the videos and the training and all that. That's new for us. Because before you had to buy the individual training packages, that was like $500. Then you had to go buy the course. And that still didn't include mentorship, you know, because we're working. So, but now you get all of it. So this is how it's working. Full transparency. So everybody pay a little bit. We pull together. And that way it's able to help compensate everything. So we're able to teach you through the chat. Each one teach one. And if we have to come out of the chat to help you with your assignment, that's what we do. So it's 3 of us, really 4, because you got Jeffrey too. He's been participating a little bit more, especially when it comes to our computer problems and printer problems and all of that. So he's our guru when it comes to that. So he helps us out too. So you got access to 4 people, and we've been able to make it work, and it's such a blessing. And I just feel honored to be on this journey with so many people, like real talk. So, and I know we're making progress. Sometimes I get people say, well, what's the proof? Where are the receipts at? Basically, I don't share what I make. I don't talk a lot about money. I don't. And I'm not going to ask my students to talk about how much they're making either. I think that's personal. I think it's private. I don't think it's anyone's business how much you're making. The receipts are there because I have over 20,000 people on this YouTube channel. Mentorship is growing every day. They do leave reviews. I'm going to start seeing how I can pull those reviews out and create something so people can see them. Because people don't always leave a review. That's where I was going earlier. Somebody left a 4-star review on my mentor program. But what was so funny, I wasn't mad about the 4 stars. If they felt it was 4 stars, it's 4 stars. Even though I know it's 5 plus 10, right? But what was so funny, the person put, it's the best mentorship ever. It's worth every single penny. I'm so glad I found them. And they just went on and on and on in the comment. And I was like, okay, so, and if you're watching, can you go back and fix it, make it a 5? If you can. I started to reach out to the person and say, hey, if you felt that it was that amazing, why'd you put 4 stars? Because you know I'll call you, right? And I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to let it stand because I got so many 5-star reviews that it just washed out anyway. That's another reason why I didn't even reach out. I didn't read the actual words were amazing, but they just 4 stars. So even when you're reviewing something, if it's really truly 5 stars, because I've heard people say that, well, they don't want to put 5 because it may seem fake. Forget that. If it's really 5-star service, put 5 stars. The person will really appreciate that, okay? What questions can I help you with today? Anything while I am here about the mentorship? So that's the most common thing I get. How are we able to do it? So the fact that we pull it together, Angela, Alexis, and myself, we pull our resources together. So if I'm in an assignment, one of them got it. If they're in an assignment, I got it. So that's another reason we're able to do it so cheaply. It's not like I'm taking a whole hour dedicating it to one person. Nope, we all get in that group, we answer those questions, and we get it done. People are getting assignments. I was saying that earlier. So I don't flash what I do. I don't flash what my mentees do. And I'm not saying anything is wrong with it because some people do. And will I get more people? Would I get more people in the mentorship program if I said, girl, yeah, she made $1,000 this month? Maybe. But that's just not how we do. I'm not that person. We're not ever going to do that. So, it is what it is. All right. So it doesn't look like we have any questions today, but I really wanted to hop on here and share with you my mistake. Always, always, always make sure before you stamp, you look at your stamp, make sure it's not upside down. You put it on a flat surface. I mean, really flat. And then you need something thick between the flat surface because I had my clipboard. I had the table, but you need something solid, like with some substance in it, kind of chunk and fat. So when you do your stamp, it's a nice flat stamp, and you don't have to make the same mistakes I did, which was 3. All right, but we did learn how to correct it. How do we correct the mistake? Draw a line through it, initial it, and date it, and then redo it the correct way, okay? Well, guys, until next time, I am Kimmi. This is Notary Life with Kimmi. Mentorship, you can sign up at notaryeducatorsllc.com, okay? I will see you guys in mentorship tonight. If you have not joined up, and the links are there when you sign up, just go to the Zoom, watch the welcome video, and I'll see you tonight. Bye. Bye, Tanjanika. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys, Paige. Thank you, Joe, Mildred, Israel. Thank you all. Bye, Jasmine, Oavi. See ya.